Hello again. So I have a few videos before this that I'm explaining a lot of things. I'm gonna put links below. Now, when you have all these like assembled, like the carriage, the towers, the motors, and the Arduino, you'll have to find a way that these will not get in the way between each other. What that means is, well, wires not into the hot wire like this. I just have it put behind. Now you have to leave it long enough or put it in a way that it will not get stuck when the carriages go back and forward, up and down. And you will have to have like some kind of table. I don't know if you see it. Now this is a crappy table. I did this because, well, I knew I will need it, but I just rushed it and it just ended up being just a crap. But it works. Now if you can buy or make something that you have these measurements on it, like these lines and like centimeters on the side of the board and the top of the board, and this side not like this is not straight here. It is straight, this side, but this side I just cut it with angle grinder and I didn't cut it straight. Now this is important. It has screwed up big here, but if you can buy or some kind of or make it some kind of surface where you have like where it goes forward, where it goes backward. Now that's important. Which one is this is the U, for example, and this is a Z. Well, that kind of reference points, those are important. So this table, I made it like very poorly made, but does a lot of things, helps a lot when you want to cut something. So do not overpass that. This is something that you have to have in mind when you boil it. Now you will need, how I tell it before, like 2 power sources. Now I have one that has both of them and one system, and I have the other that just 12 volts for the Arduino motors with the switch on off. This will come in handy. This is very important. And the Hotwire, well, it's this chunky thing that I have it for home. You don't have to put this. You can put like regular light switches like I have there for the light. So you don't need to put this. I put this because I have it and it looks like cool. And you need some kind of plug. Now you can put all that on here and just plug it on the wall and buy separately, like how you bought this Arduino. Just bought a step down module and just set up the current from there. Or you can put this and put some kind of plug and come with a separate power supply, which I made because I had this. It's a general purpose power supply, and I have this, which, well, can transform in a power supply, but it's a Arduino LiPo charger that practically all the people that we charge LiPo we have. Once you have it, you have to put it in a way that it will not stay in your way, and plug it onto your computer, and it should work.